Hello friends, myself Dr. Hemant Sharma, and today I'm going to explain you how to score excellent rank in your RUHS MO examination. So guys, now time is less. Your exam is in November and you want only short and sweet material which helps you to score excellent rank in the exam and you are qualified for this exam. So if you are preparing for this exam, then I have subscription program where I provide you lot of one-liners plus previous year MO examination paper discussion also. Also, I provide you high yield videos topic wise about 100 diseases I provide you plus 800 8 subject wise one-liners plus RUHS MO specific 500 one-liners also additionally I provide you. So guys, in this exam plus previous year paper I am going to discuss. I have completed all the sports, all material is available. If you are going to join this crash course program, same day you are going to receive all videos, 800 one-liners from 8 subject plus 500 one-liners for RUHSM examination plus previous year solved MCQs plus 100 important diseases summary with one-liners I provide you, and also around 60 or 120 minutes, one single rapid revision video also I provide you in this subscription program. That is more than enough. I cover all 19 subjects. So guys, if you want to score excellent rank, if you want to think you are going to select in the first attempt, then this subscription program is more than enough to score excellent rank in exam. So guys, how to join this subscription program? Details available in description of this video. Fee of this subscription program is just 5,000 rupees only. So this is cost around one single book. So guys, helpline WhatsApp number is available in this description of this video. So guys, this crash course program you are able to finish within 10 or 15 days. Do revision after that and score excellent rank in exam. What is RUHS MO examination? They are not going to ask lot of descriptive or clinical based MCQ. In this exam, they are going to ask you direct one-liners. If you know the answer, you are right. If you don't know the answer, you are wrong. There is no negative marking, so you can attempt all MCQs. So guys, if you like this video, put like on it. If somebody is new on my channel, please subscribe this channel. Thank you. Good day. Goodbye. And how to join this subscription program? Fee of subscription program 5,000 rupees only, and Google form or helpline WhatsApp number available in description of this video. Thank you. Good day. Goodbye.